Hello everyone! I just got this hairpiece from Lordhair and now I want to show you how to get from this to this. Let's see together.
First of all, we cut the tapes to the right size and we put them on the perimeter. We must cover the whole part of sides and back. Then we clean our scalp with alcohol. After that, we use a so-called scalp protector to improve the bond. Now we are ready to attach the system. We try to match our front hairline and we proceed only after we made sure we got it right. It might be tricky at first, but with time you will get it for sure. After the attachment of sides and back, we need to do the front. To help yourself, you can take a pen and mark the hairline with small dots that are almost invisible. We fix our hairline. Then we put scalp protector on the front too. And here it comes the glue. Put a thin coat onto your scalp, then use a toothpick to draw the hairline. This part is super important for exposed hairlines, so you need to be precise. Then we wait for about 20 minutes, and the final attachment can begin. Always make sure you are going along with the perimeter. Now we are almost done. We just need to use the hair conditioner and brush it carefully.
And that was the full attachment video. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.